Want TikTok to automatically scroll to the next video for you? Here's how to turn on auto scroll step by step. First, open the TikTok app and make sure you're on the For You feed. Now, find a video and tap and hold on an empty area of the screen. A menu should appear with several options. Look for auto scroll and tap on it. Once it's enabled, TikTok will automatically move to the next video when the current video finishes. This is especially useful if you're watching TikTok hands-free or simply don't want to keep swiping to the next video. If you want to turn auto scroll off, just tap and hold the video again and select the option to turn it off. Keep in mind that TikTok features can vary by account, device, or app version, so you may not see auto scroll on every account yet. And that's how you can turn on auto scroll on TikTok.